I seek refuge in Allah Ta'ala from Satan, the curse, with the name of Allah, the compassionate, the merciful. Peace be upon all the holy prophets, if Allah wills, what Allah wills. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. We live in this universe, but many of us are not aware of the size of this universe. So far as the sun is concerned, it is a star. And like this, in our galaxy alone, one galaxy, there are 10,000 crore stars, 100 billion stars. And there are 10,000 crore galaxies, each with 10,000 crore stars. And the sun, the earth and other planets, they go round the sun, and the moon goes round the earth, and there are moons of other planets also, they are satellites in other planets also, they go around that particular planet. But excluding all this, even only the sun itself is a star, and there are 10,000 crore stars, and there are 10,000 crore galaxies, each with 10,000 crore stars. So I once thought that if we start counting one star per second, then we shall count in 1 second 1 star, that means in 1 minute 60 stars, in 1 hour 3,600 stars, in 24 hours 6,400 stars, in 1 year 3 crore 15 lakhs 36,000 stars, in 100 years 315 crore stars. But there are 10,000 crore stars in our galaxy, so we shall count only 3% of the total number of stars. That is 315 crores out of 10,000 crores. But this is only one galaxy. There are 10,000 crore galaxies, each with 10,000 crore stars. So we shall be counting only 0.00000 and more 4 zeros, that is 10, total 10 zeros, and then 3%. So 0.000000003%. In 100 years, without any rest, all the 24 hours, we shall be counting only this much. So this means that we are very, very small compared to the universe. The sun alone loses weight at the rate of 4 million tons per second. It is 13 lakhs times larger than the earth. It is there for the last 500 crore years, and it will remain there for another 500 crore years. So this is our one sun, but there are 10,000 crore suns in our particular galaxy, and there are 10,000 crore galaxies, each with 10,000 crore stars. So real superpower is God, and not any power on earth. In fact, the powers on earth, they can't even weather the storms and the earthquakes and floods and tsunami and so many things. They are small children. Like Umar Khayyam cried, that unto the rolling heaven itself I cried, what lamp of destiny to guide its little children stumbling in the dark, and blind understanding heaven replied. So it's a little children. So little children have no right to be proud of anything. If they want to be proud, they should be proud of God, because this is the only true pride that man can carry in his heart. And with this I request you to stop shedding each other's blood, but start shedding tears of love, and make your tears become rivers of love. And as the Red Sea was parted for Pharaoh to be drowned, so you also part the river or the sea and drown all the pharaohs of hatred and enmity. With this I take your leave, and I hope you will receive this message of love and share it with others. Good night.